Today I'll introduce you to our SAGOMA system for the sectorial lubrication in 50 by 50 mm patterns in specific blank areas and oil quantities. This machine will be delivered to a sink manufacturing customer, but it is also suitable for more generic applications like household appliances. The design of this system includes in-feed and out-feed conveyors with frontal and lateral centering system to grant the correct blank positioning during transit. To avoid any further risk of the blank slipping, the system is supplied with crushless wheels. To minimize the presence of oil mists, all of our SAGOMA systems are provided with an oil mist extraction system with high-efficiency filter. An analogic pressure gauge ensures the monitoring of the filter lifetime. Another machine functionality is the anti-drop wiper system that, with a transversal movement, collects the oil drops in the inside walls of the spray chamber and prevents them from falling onto the passing blank. Every system has a touchscreen panel from which it is possible to set different parameters like oil pressure, air pressure, and above all, to select the nozzles and the areas to be lubricated. Every color corresponds to a distinctive programmable oil quantity expressed in percentage. According to the needs, various oil quantities can be sprayed in different parts of the single blank sheet surface. The selected parameters and the recipes can be saved and recalled. Every SAGOMA is composed of enclosed upper and lower spray heads that are extractable to facilitate any maintenance operation. Every spray head is made up of a different number of modular manifolds, a patented technology at the heart of our systems. The reduced 50 mm distance between nozzles and blank was specifically designed to ensure a more precise oil application and to minimize the overspray. Every manifold consists of 4 high-frequency valves for the oil adjustment. One valve manages the pulverization and one resistance, with the corresponding control allows the temperature adjustment. According to the number of oil media, our systems are supplied with 1 or more tanks, each provided with a visual and electric oil level indicator displayed also on the touchscreen panel. In case of water-based products, the tank can be integrated with a mixing system that grants a constant mixture of oil and water, according to precise proportions settable from the operator panel. In case of use of multiple lubricants, it is recommended to include an additional tank for the cleaning product and to perform the cleaning of the whole circuit before the oil exchange to remove any possible oil residues. Finally, the oil scraps are collected and led to the waste tank, supplied as well with a level sensor that alerts when the tank must be emptied.